these already, just kind of experimenting with it. So right now this is kind of a test for me too. But yeah, definitely entertainment factor if you know, if you're hosting an event. I don't know if anybody's a DJ out there and you want to put your DJ equipment next to your car. This is, I mean, you kind of got like DJ lights in a way. I mean, these are kind of like, it's the back floor. I know it's kind of a lengthy video, but I just wanted to show a lot of these. I think that's the only way to do this the proper way. I mean, there's just so many, probably over 200 settings. This is just kind of like a, I don't know, a sky blue sort of. It's like a Bahamas water blue. But you could get into the speed and everything. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. It's kind of time consuming. Obviously it's like yellow. That's the driver's door over there. But you could slow it down if you want to slow it down. If you're just driving around relaxing, listening to some light music, and you just want to, you know, you listening to some, I don't know, maybe some old rock, classic rock or something, you just want to slow it down. But if you want to go techno with it, techno style, and you want to speed it up, you can move these around and speed them up. The white looks pretty dope. The white glow kit that actually matches perfect. Let's see if we can speed this up. Keep in mind, disclaimer, I don't have every option here memorized, but I know for a fact you can speed it up. I've done it before. And when you do that, you could even lower the brightness if you feel like it. Oh, there we go. There's the speed. You see? Now it's going super slow. So now if you want to go faster, you just gotta click the button. I'll try to speed up this review here, but I think that's really key, like the speed of it. You know, if you're just chilling and just hanging out, then you might want to slow it down a little bit. But if you listen to some Skrillex or something, or some Tiesto, some kind of techno, you might want to speed it up. I don't even know what half of these do. This goes from yellow to white. Honestly, it kind of looks like a video game. It's pretty cool. At first I thought it was just kind of gonna be like a sports car type of style, but it's really not. I mean, you could put this on like, I don't know, you could probably put this on an SUV. It would look good. The best thing about it is you could literally perfectly color coordinate. You could, any color, any single color, it's got every color, and it's got all these special effects. These are kind of doing like mini rectangles just moving around. Let me try to switch it up a little bit. Let me see what else they got. I'm gonna try to flip through here real fast to end the video. Just gonna try to scan through, because I'm not gonna lie, I don't know like half of these settings. I've never seen like half of these settings, but now that I actually have the trim kit set up, I'm going through them for the first time while I'm actually recording, making some content. When I saw the thing on the internet, it had some options that I haven't even found in here yet. It has some ones where, oh, there we go. Okay, like kind of like the fading one. I guess they call it gradual. They got strobes. This is kind of like rainbow, I guess. This one comes around like that. That's pretty cool. So this is definitely good for anybody that's also like, you know, a rapper, a singer. I mean, you could definitely do some perfect edits with this. You're singing a song and you're singing about something that kind of, I mean, you could do red, white, and blue if you're doing a song about USA or something. It literally does red, white, and blue. I know I've seen that. I'm not gonna go and find it. It'll probably take a while. but I know it's in here. They have red, white, and blue. They got a lot of different ones, so you can kind of get creative for sure and do some cool things. That one's really dope. And the colors are so vibrant and just like, it looks like a high-end TV out of a Best Buy or something. You see it? I was debating where to put it, if I was going to put it next to the window glass or if I was going to do it, but this is so cool because it literally flows right through the door handle. That's the door handle, the inside of the door on the passenger side, so it literally just flows through. So when you're driving down the highway, it looks like you're, I don't know, like you're in a video game or something. So it's pretty cool. Obviously drive safe, all that, don't get distracted, keep your eyes on the road, all that, but it's pretty cool to do all this. That's a pretty cool look. So yeah, I'm liking the way this came out. For the future, I'll probably do some other upgrades and things, maybe even with some LEDs. I was thinking about doing a star roof on the car. And I'm just sort of looking around for different prices. I might actually get that installed by somebody else. This trim kit, I installed the whole thing myself. However, the LED star roof, I might just pay someone to do that. I don't know, still debating. That is really different. It's not really rainbow, because rainbow has different colors and different orders. Let's see what else I got just to finish up the video, get to the ending here. So this one kind of has the, I don't know if anybody noticed, but if you were paying attention good, you noticed that every option on this trim kit, you can make it flow either forwards or backwards. So that's pretty cool. So right now, if you look down at the floor, everything is flowing towards the back of the car. It's flowing towards the back of the car with the, because this is the door. This is the passenger door. Everything's flowing towards the back. And on the dashboard, everything's flowing to the right. Before it was all flowing to the left. So definitely really cool. You can kind of switch things up, and wasn't even a lot of money. The trim kit was probably, I don't know, I mean, I've bought multiples of these so far. I think this one was maybe around $100, but I got it on sale. But that, I mean, for what you get out of it, it's worth it. That's pretty cool. Kind of like the Bahamas water blue with the purple. The color, just disclaimer, is not coming out absolutely perfect. My GoPro, I didn't go in the back end and I didn't white balance the camera on the settings, so the color is a little off, the tints of some of these colors, but it looks good. You could see, you get a good idea. That's one of my favorite ones. Emerald green and the ocean blue. You can do a lot of this. I mean, you can just keep it white. You just do white with the glow kit. Oh no, that's kind of funny. I think I ended